Level 2 Award in Food Safety. True or false quiz. It is safe to use the same sink for washing hands and washing equipment, as long as you wash your hands first. Is that true or false? No, that is false. Question 2. A food handler with a small cut on their finger must cover it with a blue-colored, waterproof plaster. Is that true or false? Yes, that is true. Question 3. Cooked rice should be cooled to room temperature before being placed in the refrigerator. Is that true or false? No, that is false. Question 4. The danger zone for food is the temperature range where bacteria multiply most rapidly, which is between 10 degrees Celsius and 58 degrees Celsius. Is that true or false? No, that is false. Question 5. A cleaning schedule is important because it specifies what, how, and when to clean, and who is responsible. Is that true or false? Yes, that is true. Question 6. Raw meat should always be stored on the top shelf of the refrigerator, above ready-to-eat foods, to prevent drips. Is that true or false? No, that is false. Question 7. The best way to check if a chicken is thoroughly cooked is to cut into the thickest part to see if the meat is no longer pink. Is that true or false? No, that is false. Question 8. A food handler who has been sick with diarrhea and vomiting can return to work as soon as they feel better, even if it's within 48 hours. Is that true or false? No, that is false. Question 9. All food contact and hand contact surfaces must be cleaned and sanitized after each use? Is that true or false? Yes, that is true. Question 10. It is acceptable to thaw frozen food in warm running water as long as it is thoroughly cooked immediately. Is that true or false? No, that is false. Please subscribe, like and follow for more food safety quizzes. See you next time.